guys, and welcome to Cooking for the Missus. My name is Andy. What we're going to be doing today is we are going to be preparing in what is, in my opinion, the Rolls Royce of the ocean. We are going to be preparing a Dover sole. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I love this fish. It's clearly the best one in the ocean for me. Absolutely love it. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit that little bell icon which will keep you notified when I make some more videos. So with that being said, let's make the Rolls Royce of the sea. Let's go, guys. Right then, guys, like I said, this is going to be a really quick video on how to prepare the Dover sole, which, like I said before in the intro, is, in my opinion, the Rolls Royce of the ocean. I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's get this bad boy out. So here's your Dover sole. Okay, so this is the top to the fish and this is the bottom to the fish. Okay, so obviously these are bottom dwelling animals, so that's why they're flat. So here's you've got the head around here, so you've got two eyes on there, there's a little mouth on the bottom, and obviously here's the tail. Everybody knows that, it's the basics. Let's get cracking with it. So when dealing with fish, what's really important, okay, you need to make sure you get yourself a flexible boning knife. Okay, so this literally, if you can see that, it literally bends. Okay, so what this is for, we're not going to be filleting this fish, we're just going to be skinning it to prepare it to show you. But what this is used for is when you're filleting fish, you can get right up against the bones and you don't ruin any of their flesh or anything like that. Okay, so it takes a little bit of a while to do this bit, so I've cheated a little bit and I've done it already. Basically what you want to do is you want to make a really small incision in the skin down here on the tail. Okay, that's on both ends, on both sides, sorry, so on the white side and on the top side. Okay, so the reason why we do that, because that then creates a little flap in the skin, like so. Okay, which is going to allow us to really easily skin this fish. Okay, so once you've done that, what you want to do, place your hand palm on the tail of the fish, get the skin, use a cloth if it's easier. You might need to use a cloth on this one. So literally going to keep hold of the tail and pull back with the skin. Okay, now this should be relatively straightforward. So straightforward like that, maintaining your hand on the bottom of the fish, don't forget, so keeping the pressure there, pull up all the way to the top and off over the head. Okay, so that's there is, I mean, you can remove the skin from the top. A little easier said than done. Like I say, this is probably easier done with a towel, so you can keep hold of the skin. Okay, so that's how you skin the top of the fish then. Okay, so you've got some absolutely beautiful flesh there on this fish. So I'm going to be cooking this fish whole. It's going to be really simple. I'll show you how to get it ready to go into the frying pan and everything anyway. So then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So you'll make a small incision in the skin at the bottom, which will create this flap. So it would be easier if you had a cloth to hold on to the skin with, I must admit, because it's really slippy. So you get hold of the skin and you're literally just going to pull back the same as you did on the other side, all the way up to the head, and removing the skin from the head as well, like so. So that is literally how to prepare it with taking the skin off. Right, okay then guys, so with your nice sturdy pair of kitchen scissors, what we're going to do, so all this frill down the edge here, we want to remove the outer side of that, okay, because that's all bone and it's not the best thing to obviously have when you're serving the fish. So with a pair of scissors, we are literally just going to trim all the way up the fish, removing these outer fins. So we've removed the outer skirt all the way around this fish. So the last thing we're going to want to do is just remove the tail, and then that literally is ready to fry. So the way that I prepare this fish is I always like to shallow fry it in a frying pan. We just coat it, give it a quick dusting with some seasoned flour, and then literally straight into a frying pan, probably 4 minutes each side, and it is ready to serve. Okay, that is literally the end of the video, guys. So that is how simple it is to create this masterpiece using, like I say, what I call the Rolls Royce of the ocean. I absolutely love Dover sole. I think it's absolutely beautiful. In my opinion, it's the most tastiest flesh you can get in any fish. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope that makes it a lot easier for you, and I hope you do try this recipe out. Just give the fish a go, like I say, you will not regret it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Leave your comments down below. Please like this video if you have enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.